What up, guys? Brad from Pt1 Farms here. I'm recording it differently because we bought a new rig here today. It's a 2023 model 9R. If I can open the door with one hand. Oh, okay. About to take myself to the hospital. 2023 9R 590. Got the brand new monitors in it. Got the display over there. What? Oh, okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't mean to. My bad, sir. All right, all seriousness, this is Case. Finally, you guys get to meet him on the channel. It's Case from Pt1 Farms here. This is his farm, his rig. Not his rig, it's his dad's rig. He's gonna give us a tour. Family owns it. He's gonna give us a tour today of his farm. Let's get to it. Case is working on something else. We got his 4050 here. John Deere. What year model is it, Case? 1984 model. Don't worry about that thing right there. We'll get to that in a minute. Now, when you go over here, you see a junked up Alice 190. Tell us about it, Case.
Mom thinks it's like a hot rod. It sucks. You know, it's combine motors. Transformer.
Transformer.
Oh, it's just
What about his ringtone?
It's made the car part, as you can see. Little redneck.
Well, guys, you probably can't see me. I'm still at Case's house right now. I'm sorry, I didn't get much video today. I just want to hang out with my friend. There's a lot more equipment. There's equipment in there. Equipment in the field. We'll just get equipment tour this winter. I'll post the video, but I'll just give you equipment tour later. See you on the next one.